In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under the subtopic terms of insurance in Ace to Trade, and we have about 18 to 20 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a guarantee given by one person or party to another in which the integrity of the person is assured is, we have fidelity, term assurance, subrogation, indemnity. The right answer is option A, which is fidelity. Very important. Next question is this one. It says, a guarantee given by one person or party to another in which the integrity of the person is assured is. So this is just like the first question just answered. So the right answer here is still option A, fidelity. Next question is this one. It says no insurance risks include gambling, marine problems, death, damage to property. The right answer is option A, which is gambling. Okay, next question is this one. It says the sum of money paid by a policyholder to an insurer is referred to as real gross profit, salary, premium, interest. The right answer is option C, which is premium. Okay, next question is this one. It says an undertaking given by a person to another assuring his integrity is, we have an insurable interest, obligation, fidelity guarantee, we have proximate clause. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C, which is fidelity guarantee. Next question is this one. It says the indemnification of Armour by his insurance company after a fire disaster means that he has been guaranteed by the insurance company will be covered to the limit of amount in the policy has been covered by the insurance company will be cleared of any fault by the insurance company. The right answer is option B, which is it means that he will be covered to the limit of the amount in the policy. This question is this one. It says life assurance premium is determined by the number of the assured children, age of the assured, reputation of the assured, educational standard of the assured. The right answer is option B, which is determined by the age of the assured. Okay, next question is this one. It says a distinction between comprehensive insurance and third-party insurance is that the latter covers damages to the insured vehicle caused by the insured vehicle to the driver of the insured vehicle caused by the other vehicle. The right answer is option B. It covers damages caused by the insured vehicle. Next question is this one. It says an insured risk which occurs accidentally as a result of defect in a ship is, we have an emergency, a void policy, particular average, a total loss. So guys, the right answer to this question is option C. So is a particular average. Okay, this is the question is this one. It says an example of a non-insurance risk is accident, fire, speculation, burglary. The right answer is option C, which is speculation. The question is this one. Says the payment made periodically in respect of an insurance policy entered into is known as bond commission, surrender value, we have premium. So the right answer is option D, which is premium. Next question is this one. Say payment made periodically, so if the question is still premium, option D. Next question is this one. Says a person who undertakes any risk in insurance business is known as a broker, an underwriter, an insurer, and actuary. The right answer is option B, which is an underwriter. Okay, the next question is this one. It says the difference between indemnity insurance and non-indemnity insurance is that the latter provides that this non-indemnity insurance provides we have full payment to the insured, cover for importers against risk, covers for exporters against risk, consolation payment to the insured. The right answer is option D. Okay, later provide consolation payments to the insured. Next question is one. It's a payment made periodically in respect of an insurance policy entered into is known as. So I think this is the question option D. The right answer premium. Next question is the difference between indemnity insurance and non-indemnity insurance is that the latter provides. I think this is the question. Provide consolation payment to the insured, option B. Next question is this one. It says a business who undertakes the whole insurance policy is aiming at covering losses and damage to the cargo, protecting insured crew in the ship, covering damages to the body of the ship, averting payment of the freight. So the right answer to this question is option C, which is covering damages to the body of the ship. Next question is one. It says a document that embody the conditions and exceptions attached to the contract is we have proposal form, insurance certificate, the policy cover note. So guys, the right answer this question is option C, which is the policy. So this is basically how you can do problems involving terms of insurance, a subtopic in A3 for your commerce. We practice with about 17 to 23 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a quiz and comment section below, and I will sure to give you responses. So ensure the part of the JAMB membership by clicking on JAMB soon. I will get premium information and help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams writing. If you haven't done this, click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.